Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to enable LED glow on the restyled Leaf made 2002 and later. All new style Leaf front logos has built-in LED lights and wires already connected. In some countries LED is disabled by software and it is not glowing. First you need to open the bonnet, then open fixing clip heads to remove the plastic rivet. There are like 10 of these total. Once done, remove the front plastic. Then is the hardest part, finding the front logo LED plug. You need to look behind this metal plate in the front. I'm trying to access it from the right side of the car. You won't be able to see the plug. You need to reach it with your left arm. Below is the camera wire, which goes to the left side, and a little bit upper there is a LED plug, and it goes to the right side of the car. Now when you will find the LED plug, you will need to push the lever on the top of the plug and at the same time pull the plug. The plug holds really strong and will require a quite strong force to pull it out. Plug has two wires, black for ground and pink for power. Slide protective plastic sleeve down and cut the pink wire. Then remove isolation and connect extension wire about 2 meters long and about 1 millimeter total thickness. Yeah, of course you can use the thicker wire, but I will show you later why I'm using thin cable. Now we need to provide power for the front log LED to make it shine. But we must not forget about the safety and install fuse for fire protection, as we don't want to burn the car in case of short circuit. You can buy these double fuse adapters in any electronic stores or AliExpress. You will also need to buy additional fuse. I'm using 6 amps fuse. Do not use higher than 10 amps fuse, as LED do not need more than 10 watts of power. Pay attention to this diagram and make sure original fuse is inserted in the right slot. Now you're gonna need to find the square fuse box next to the battery. You need to undo the clips, open the box and flip it to access fuses. Now find the 15 amp fuse marked F21. You need to remove 15 amp fuse and insert it in the fuse adapter together with additional fuse for the LED. Connect adapter to the LED extension wire and insert it back in F21 slot. That's it. Before closing the fuse box, I suggest testing it by turning ignition on, and the front logo LED should shine as long as ignition is on. You can simply poke 1 millimeter wire through this hole in the fuse box without need of drilling. You can see how I routed cable from the fuse box to the LED. If you do not think that you will ever need to hide evidence of this intervention, you can simply use original LED wire, which I traced is located here. Simply cut that pink wire and connect it to the fuse adapter with additional fuse, and that's it.